Hi, I'm Jonathan Bardzik. Well, my friend Bill Depkins lets me grow lots of vegetables out here on his farm. Usually I'm gardening right here in the tiny backyard of my Washington, D.C. row house. Fortunately, All America Selections, a more than 85-year-old organization that evaluates new vegetable and flower seed introductions, has found some really good small growers. Plants like fairy tale eggplant, mascot green bean, and this little cherry tomato I'm using today called Patio Choice Yellow. While most tomatoes will ripen to red, others will ripen green, and they tend to be a little tart, almost citrusy. And then some will ripen to yellow or orange, like Patio Choice here, and these tend to be a little more sweeter and less acidic. We're gonna add these into our salad bowl. I'm gonna toss these together with some Parisian Gherkin cucumbers. This is a little pickling cucumber that is just as delicious to eat fresh. With a little bit of staking, I can grow it in a container in my backyard. And it's one of the first All America selections that's available as organic seed. We're going to add some warrior bunching onions, also known as scallions or green onions. These are going to add a nice, light, oniony flavor to our salad. We're going to add a little heat to our salad with these Aki Rico peppers. Now, I love their citrusy flavor, but I don't want them to be too spicy, so we're going to scrape out the seeds and the ribs. These mature nice and early in the season, so it either means you get to eat them early down south, or they're a good choice for northern gardens with shorter seasons. I'm going to finish this with some fresh cilantro and a cumin sherry vinaigrette. Perfect for your next summer cookout. For this and other simple garden fresh recipes, visit allamericaselections.org. Now, from my small backyard garden to yours, have fun cooking. Homegrown and delicious.